And so today I am going to discuss about UI tab bar controller in Swift. So today's topic, how to create a UI tab bar, how to create a programmatically tab bar by using UIKit. How to create a programmatically tab bar by using UIKit. So firstly we will discuss about what is UI tab bar controller. A container view controls that manage a multi-selection interface. A container view controller that manages a multi-selection interface where the selection determines which child view to display. So, okay, we can consider this example. Let's go open your Xcode, create a new project, select on this application, set on this project name, suppose tab bar demo. Today topic is tab bar demo, which have interface storyboard and language is Swift. We can create on the project. We can create the projects with the initial view controller. So firstly we gonna import all images by using tab bar. Import the images by using tab bar. So firstly import this tab bar icon. Command A, import on this tab bar icon. So this is the import on this tab bar icon, and this is a view controller. We're gonna create a UI tab bar controller. Command N. We're gonna create a UI tab bar controller. This is a Coca-Touch class. UI tab bar subclass is tab bar view controller. We're gonna create on this tab bar view controller. This is a tab bar view controller. So we're gonna create a function. We're gonna create a function create navigation controller. So this is a file private function navigation, create navigation controller, create navigation controller, create navigation controller which have parameter for root view controller, which is type of UI view controller, and comma, suppose title, which is type of suppose title, which is type of string, and image, which is type of UI image optional, and which is type of UI image optional, and selected image, which is type of UI image optional, and function in this function return UI view controller. So we can create the instance of this navigation controller. Let nav controller that navigation controller is equal to UI navigation controller, which is type of root view controller, which have initialized on this root view controller. This is our root view controller, as on this our root view controller, and we're gonna step this. Next step is we're gonna create a tab bar item set. We're gonna initialize of this tab bar item. So we're gonna create another. We're gonna instance another Swift file tab bar item set. Suppose which have a name is tab bar item set. We're gonna create on this tab bar item set. Create a class tab bar item set which have a name. So tab bar item set which have a name UI tab bar item, subclass UI tab bar, import UI kit, which have import UI kit, and UI tab bar item, UI tab bar item subclass, we're gonna create initializers in it. So first is title, which is type of string, and comma image, which is type of UI image, optional, comma selected image, which is type of UI image, optional, and UI image optional. And we're gonna create calling on the required initializers, add on this required initializer fix required initializer, add on this required because required initializer is a need of tab bar item class required initializers. What is not used on this class statement? So we can call in the super dot init, and we're going to initialize on our property self dot title is equal to title, self dot title is equal to title, and self dot image is equal to image, and self dot selected image is equal to selected image. So we're going to complete on this tab bar item, command S, and tab bar view controller. So we can use of tab bar view controller, and so navigation controller dot tab bar item is equal to our class is set tab bar item set which have initializer title. So title, this is the title, and image, this is our image, and selected image, this is the selected image, pass on the selected image. So navigation bar title is created. So navigation bar. So we can use of navigation controller dot navigation bar dot prefab last title is equal to true. And root view controller, dot navigation item dot title. I'm going to apply this our title. We can use of our title, and this is our use of title, and this tab we're going to return on this navigation controller. We're going to complete on this method create navigation controller. We're going to use of this configure. We're going to create a function configure subview. So function which have no parameter and no return type on this function. So this is a view controller errors. View controller is equal to array of view controller. View controller is equal to array of view controller. So we can assign on this array of UI view controller. We're going to check on this array of UI view controller optional, and we're going to assign the view controller. We can create the instance. Our create navigation controller which have root view controller. Suppose view controller is currently view controller. Create the instance. Title suppose camera, and image UI image named initializers. Suppose the string is camera, and selected image UI image named initializers. This is selected image album, which have an album, and we can create the first view controller. We can same on this for view controller tab bar item first, second, third, fourth. So this change on this view control instance on this change on this view control instance on this view control camera, and another is share connect. So this another is share. We can image on the share and selected image is share connect, and third is upload, and upload is text is upload, and this image is upload, and selected image is update, and third is first is camera, third is share and upload, then on this extra, and third on this video player, for this video player, and image on this video player. Video player and video recorder. Video which have an image on this video recorder set on this. So we can set on the insert, okay, and done. Insert this comma and insert this comma, set on this array of view controllers. So we wanna first view of view controller, create on this view controller, command S, command N. We're gonna create the model. So first please open on this image. Firstly we will discuss about and view dot background color. Suppose view default view dot background color is equal to suppose dot white, and UI tab bar dot appearance, UI tab bar dot appearance dot bar tint color, suppose which have a bar tint color, suppose which have a green color, access on this dot green color, bar tint color, and tab bar tint color dot red, and tab bar tint color dot is equal to dot red. Start on this button. We're going to run on this tab bar, command S. We're going to create the initial view controller. We're going to assign the class. So first is tab bar view controller, this is the initial view controller. Then on this statement, we're going to run this statement. So UI tab bar is a container view controller that manages a multi-selection interface where the selection determines which child view to display. So on this state URL. So we're gonna create a tab bar running on this state. So we can check on this issue. Suppose firstly is camera and camera which image import, name is same name is camera, and tab bar view controller, title and camera. We're gonna run. Suppose which have check on this iPhone SE second generation. I run on this cached. Length on your and we can tab bar. So we can calling on this view did load. Firstly execute on this view did load, calling on this configure subviews, calling on this configure subviews. Configure subviews is this is the calling. We can run on this state. We can configure subviews our create the view controller. So we can run on this tab bar. So first is camera, second is share, third is view, and fourth is video player. Set on this tab bar. So we can create another bar and tab bar title. So this is the title, is notice title. So we can create the tab bar title. So this is the tab bar title. And we can use the tab bar title. So we're gonna first this view controller is empty view controller. So we're gonna create the command and we shift file array of view controller. Array of view controller. We're gonna create this model array of view controller. We're gonna create the class. Suppose first is suppose whichever name is camera controller demo. Camera controller. First camera controller and subclass of UI view controller. UI, we're gonna import this UI kit. Import is equal to UI kit and UI view controller. Subclass UI view controller. UI view controller subclass. We're gonna create a suppose which have a label. We're gonna create a label and view did load. Calling this super dot view did load, and we're gonna create the suppose which have a we're gonna create the name label and UI label. We're gonna create the label. So private lazy var, sorry, private var name label. Suppose which have a name label which is type of name label which is type of UI label, and is equal to we're gonna create the lambda and we're gonna use of lambda. So we're gonna create the instance let name first is equal to UI label. We're gonna create the instance. Suppose first name, so name dot text, set on this text, name dot text is equal to, suppose this is a camera screen, this is the camera screen, and name, suppose text color, so name dot text color is equal to dot red, and suppose name dot font is equal to UI font dot bold system font, suppose size which have a 30, okay, and later on this, and we're gonna apply this constant. Suppose with name a dot translate authorization constants is equal to false. Constants translates authorization mask constant is equal to false, and return name. Return this name. Y label is return this name. We're gonna complete this name and we're gonna use of our view did load method. So view did load method used on this statement. View did load method, suppose which view did load method use of. So we're gonna create a add subview. Okay, we're gonna create the instance of a class and view default view. Suppose view dot add subview. So firstly, what is add subview method? add subview method. What is the add subview method? Adds a view to the end of the receiver list of subviews. End of the receiver list of subviews. So this is a name label view, name label, name label, add subview. We're gonna apply this constants. We're gonna apply this constants. NS layout constants, NS layout constants dot activate array of constant dot activate constant, NS layout constant dot activate. So name label dot center y anchor, suppose center y anchor, name label dot center y anchor dot constants equal to view dot center y anchor, and this is same otherwise. Command Z, command C, command V, the center x anchor, and this is a view, this is a name label center x anchor, this is a view dot center x anchor. We're going to apply this constant view dot center x anchor. We're going to complete the constants. We're going to use of separators. So first is one class is complete camera controller. First class is camera controller. Same, this is a copy and is another of controller. Command V service. First is camera controller and share controller. Sorry, share controller. So this is a, we gonna create this capital name camera controller, share controller. This is a share screen, and we're gonna create the copy and command with the share controller. The upload controller, suppose which have name of the upload. Already upload controller. This is the upload screen, and we're gonna use of another. So this is the video player controller, video player controller. This is the video player screen, text on the video player screen. Command shift we're gonna set on this or model. First is tab bar view control. First is we're gonna open your first is camera controller instance, and third is share controller instance, and fourth is upload controller instance, and third is video player controller instance. So command S, we are run on this app, check on this event. So this is a camera screen, this is a share screen, so this is a upload screen, this is a video play screen. We're gonna change on this color, array of controller, suppose it's a red color, second is a green color, and third is a text on this white color, sorry, yellow color, and fourth is text color, this is a pink color, system pink. Okay, and command us, we're gonna set on the tab bar title, set on this tab bar title. We're gonna check on this tab bar array of control tab bar title. We can check on this title, our title. We're gonna set on this title, and on this statement build successive. First is camera, second share, this is the share screen, the upload, this is the upload screen, and this is the video play screen. We're gonna back color, view back color in this, suppose white, this is black color. So this is a black color. We're gonna run on this statement, change on this black color. So black color and title color is change on this title color. We can remove this title color. Suppose title color navigation bar title. So we can set on this black, otherwise white is accessible, and bar tint color is green, otherwise white is similarly simple. We're gonna run on this statement, check on this one. So this is the camera title, this is the camera screen, first is camera tab, share screen tab, upload screen tab, video play screen tab. Change on this image, selected image. This is the tab bar. So firstly we will discuss about tab bar, a container view controller that manages a multi-selection interface where the selection determines which child view to display. So thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy your programmatically tab bar. This is a programmatically tab bar. This is a area of view controller, and this is a tab bar controller. This is a tab bar view controller. Initially, we're gonna check on this image, so we can change on this. Suppose bar tint color, suppose white color and red color is tint color. Suppose red tint color is black. Then on this state we can check out the bar tint color. This is a black color, bar tint color. This is a black color. So thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy on this how to create a tab bar by using programmatically in UIKit. Thank you for watching this video.